A blinking green light on a modem indicates that the device is unable to establish a stable internet connection. This issue is often caused by hardware malfunctions, particularly after extended use. To resolve the problem, the first step is to restart the device. This can be done by disconnecting the modem from the power supply, waiting for at least 10 seconds, and then re-plugging it. The modem will take approximately 2 minutes to reboot. If restarting does not resolve the issue, the next step is to reset the modem. However, this should only be done if power cycles are unsuccessful. To reset the modem, locate the pinhole reset button at the back of the device and use a thin, stiff object to hold the button down for at least 30 seconds. During this process, the internet LED will turn red, and it is essential not to interrupt the reset. It is worth noting that resetting the modem will clear any customized settings, requiring them to be reconfigured or defaulted after the process is complete.